Congratulations are in order. I know many of you have started your internship and residency and you're already a couple weeks in, but I just wanted to say congratulations. And I know there's a whirlwind of emotions and then you're not sure where the next challenge and the next opportunity will come, but you are right where you need to be. My name is Dr. Tori with RookieDoctor.com, and I actually over several years during my internship, my residency, early years of med school, I kept track of all the things that I wish somebody told me. And then all of my years as an attending and assistant professor and doing lectures and trainings, I also kept track of all the things that I've had to coach people through or questions that I've been asked. And many of those things have been encapsulated in some of the sort of products and offerings that come through RookieDoctor.com. But I want to tell you about one in particular, and that is because you're at a period of transition, and this applies to any transition in your career, but because you're at this particular transition from med school or observership to internship and residency, I want to show you a glimpse of the last lecture of medical school. Now, the last lecture of medical school is a program that or actually it's more like a class that I teach at the very end of medical school. I'm often the one that's asked to do the final lecture. Why? Because this final lecture is something that encapsulates sort of wisdom that will help you navigate all of the challenges and opportunities that you face coming forward. So this last lecture of medical school, I go through some of the things, some of the places where I might have almost screwed up or actually did screw up and how it became a pivot point. Also, opportunities where sometimes just changing the way you ask a question can completely alter the path forward. So let me give you a quick glimpse on the inside of what this looks like. When you look inside of this product, essentially, this is let me move myself out of the way here. This product is essentially, I've chunked down the lecture into different sections. So one of them where I talk about sort of the things that we tell ourselves. There's a lot of stuff going on in your head, and sometimes it's not until somebody calls it out that you can see where you're kind of like being a little absurd. And when it's called out, you can change it. When you don't pay attention to it, when you ignore it, when you just follow through with the flood of emotions that you have, you'll miss the opportunities that are staring you right in the face. And so I go through 3 major pivot points in my career and the lessons I gleaned from them, and along the way teach you how to take those moments of potential transformation and actually lead to growth. And so that's what this last lecture is all about. You can see the link below, or just go to RookieDoctor.com and check out some of the products there. There may be things that you find valuable. Some things are free, some things are not, some things are a nominal charge. Obviously, the closer, more intimate relationship that we have, like if it's a coaching relationship, whatever, it gets much more expensive. But for the most part, plenty of free stuff. You don't need to buy stuff. But this one, you might want to purchase. So go ahead and check out the last lecture of med school.